That's what the problem is. What the problem is a need for vitamin C. So what causes receding gums? There are two things that I look for personally when it comes to receding gums. One is bacteria and one is the need for vitamin C. Gums are made of connective tissue, and vitamin C is responsible for the repair and the rebuilding of connective tissue. Learning how to take care of our bodies just takes a little bit of study. Eons ago, there was a disease known as scurvy. Scurvy happens when there's a deficiency in the body of vitamin C. What are the reasons that we become deficient in vitamin C in the first place? The gums are connective tissue, and vitamin C is the vitamin that is responsible for tissue building for connective tissue. Bacteria contains a certain type of enzyme called proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes break down the protein bonds, the collagen protein bonds that help to keep gum tissue healthy and strong. Vitamin C is what is responsible for breaking apart that enzyme so that the gum tissue can stay strong and healthy. Collagen protein is essential for the growth and repair of healthy gum tissue. Gum tissue can stay strong and healthy with enough vitamin C in our diet. Gum tissue and artery tissue have something in common. They're both formed of connective tissue. If my gum tissue isn't healthy, then I pretty much can bet on the fact that my arteries are beginning to break down as well. The gum tissue can begin to recede for two reasons that I know of. They can recede because of a lack of vitamin C, or they can be receding because of the presence of too much bacteria. There isn't enough vitamin C, and there's an overgrowth of bacteria, then the enzymes within the bacteria can begin to break down the gum tissue, and the gum tissue will begin to recede. It's a vicious cycle. It's a vicious cycle, I tell you. Scurvy is an extreme or prolonged deficiency in vitamin C. What is responsible for receding gums? It's a deficiency in vitamin C. That's what the problem is. Healthy gum tissue is dependent on a good amount of vitamin C. Taking in enough vitamin C every day is important for good cellular growth and repair. There are also substances that we can be taking in that can start to lower our stores of vitamin C. So what foods contain vitamin C? I'll go over that in this video. Receding gums are no fun, but they can be reversed and they can be treated. There are certain types of enzymes in bacteria. They're known as proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes break down collagen protein. Our white blood cells hold and carry more vitamin C than any other cells in the body. That's why they call the white blood cells our little soldiers. The white blood cells are what come out when we get sick because they hold and carry vitamin C, and vitamin C is what is needed for rebuilding and repair and regeneration and for getting healthy. Bleeding gums are a sign of a vitamin C deficiency. It's simple. Collagen protein is what holds together this wonderful gum tissue, as well as our arteries and the connective tissue in our joints. Good amounts of collagen protein is needed for that. But what breaks down the collagen protein? Why don't we have enough of it? What happens to the collagen protein? Why does it break down? Tissue is built with a protein called collagen, and vitamin C is responsible for the production of collagen. Bacteria holds an enzyme that is responsible for breaking down collagen protein, and then the gum tissue recedes. What are the reasons that we become deficient in vitamin C in the first place? Having high insulin levels will lower our levels of vitamin C. High insulin levels will lower our levels of vitamin C. Not taking in enough vitamin C from foods or supplements. Not taking in enough vitamin C from foods or supplements. And there are substances that we can be taking that counter the level of vitamin C in our body. And there are substances that we can be taking that counter the level of vitamin C in our body. Remember, this isn't health advice. I'm a cosmetologist and I'm interested in ways to stay healthy through natural means. So what foods can we eat that can give us a good amount of vitamin C? Sauerkraut contains more vitamin C than any other food. Vitamin C provides the nutrition that is responsible for building collagen protein. What foods contain vitamin C?
Sauerkraut contains a huge amount of vitamin C. Lemons have a good amount of vitamin C. The juice of one lemon per day is enough vitamin C to carry on the cellular activity in our body and keep it healthy. Fermented vegetables and bell peppers are two other types of foods that contain a good deal of vitamin C. So what substances are we taking in that are responsible for lowering our vitamin C? I'll look into that and I'll make a separate video on that. And remember, this isn't health advice. I'm a cosmetologist, and I'm just simply interested in ways to stay healthy through natural means. And when I find something out that's good, I share it with you through my YouTube videos and through my website magazine, Your Health and Tech Friend. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and give me a thumbs up. If my videos help you, please share them because it helps me.